Hey everybody, this is Snug, and today we get to open a brand new box that I got 3 months of. The theme for the July box is summer. I decided to dress apart for summer with my summer dress and my summer earrings that my daughter-in-law made me out of coffee plants, and then she painted up. It's seeing what's in a accessory box for the summer. Sounds exciting to you? Then keep on watching. This is the box that the LD fashion and accessory box comes in. You can't really see the label, but that's where it's from. LD accessories box is a fashion explosion of style and fun, containing 5 to 6 hand-selected products. The box is shipped monthly and packed with a variety of women apparel and accessories. Every box is valued over $100. Contents vary by month and individual subscriber. Box may vary from advertised images based on style preferences and availability. Complete the online style profile for a tailored subscription experience. Enjoy your new fashions or share them. No need to return any items. Subscription levels: 3 boxes, 6 boxes, and 12 boxes. Boxes? 3 boxes, 6 boxes, or 12 boxes. And you can cancel at any time. 100% satisfaction guarantee, and US has free shipping. Let's get into this box, and I did pre-slice it and dice it, but I have not opened it whatsoever, and I'm really excited. Oh, so it comes like this. It comes with a handwritten note. It says, "Welcome to the LD Box Club family. I'm Marina, your curator. Hopefully you like what I've chosen for you in this month's July box." So that is really neat that you get a handwritten note. I really like that. Okay, and then you get a sheet of what you'll get, and I don't want to look at that. And next, holy cow, there is a huge package with luxury Divas on the front. There's stickers, and then do we want to do the bottom first, or do we want to do... I want to do the bottom first. The way bottom, you get a twirled colored hard candy sucker. I love that. It actually matches the earrings and my makeup and everything. I love this. This made my day. Just happy. And then, this is what is intriguing me. Ooh. At the bottom, I got this bag with Cactus on it. This is adorable. So here's the tag. This is like ridiculously soft. This is really nice. It's really well made. And it's big. So you could use this to go grocery shopping or anything. So I love that. I really love that. And it's very summery. And it matches my outfit. See? Cactus print canvas tote bag. Made from strong canvas material. This durable tote bag features a fun cactus print as well as tall drop handles large enough to store all your summer travel essentials. This is the perfect bag to tote around during summer. And it has a $20 value. We're going to unwrap. Ooh. What is this? Well, let's see what this is first. There's a bag. It's from Fatio Tote, the same brand that made the soft canvas bag. Summertime microfiber beach mat with drawstring bag. This supremely comfortable and luxurious soft beach towel doubles as a mat for you to lay on while basking in the sun. travel bag included. Oh, it's got tissue paper on inside. This is really soft. So this is how long it is. 6 feet long and probably 4 or 5 feet wide. But it is really soft, and then it has all the colors. This is gorgeous. It's like slippery on one side and really soft on the other. So $30 for this box. And I've already gotten a $20 tote and a $25 beach towel. I have, I like these colors. Italia Deluxe lip liners. And you can see the colors. Pucker up and apply your new lip pencils from Italia Deluxe that have a rich matte color. These are perfect for outlining your lips or completely coloring them in when you want a smooth, long-lasting finish. They're available in multicolor and $10. Okay, so the darker one is this one, and then here's the nude. And I love both of those colors. And they have it's a wooden pencil lip liner. I'm excited about these. These are really nice. I'm blown away. This box is absolutely blowing me away. Absolutely blowing me away. Then it looks like we have two things that go together. And this is Ocean Breeze, Seashell, and Turtle Silver Toned. Oh, an anklet. I haven't had an anklet in forever. And these are from their brand Luxury Divas. So this is the extra bit that if you can cut out if it's too wide or too short. And then this would be like the center point of it. And then it would go back where it's got the little waves. It's got a turtle, a starfish, and a shell. That is really cute. Next is a necklace. And they have nice lobster clasps on them. There is no reason to pick either gold or silver jewelry. This beautiful starfish necklace gives you the best of both worlds in one stunning piece. Sterling silver and gold plating come together in this necklace as a special reminder of the sea. And the chain is silver, and it is worth $30. And then it looks like we have one last piece, and I'm kind of like screaming inside, like happy screaming inside. Oh, and it even has your name on here, so it's personalized and everything. So I'm going to read what it is, and then I'm going to put it on and show you. Taupe sheer two-toned kimono cover-up. Long and flowy, this stunning cover-up will unleash your inner beach goddess. Made from sheer lightweight material, this versatile summertime accessory can be worn over your favorite swimsuit or shorts and a tank. Available in black, taupe, blue, or olive. And this is worth $25. Now, I got it in taupe. And I'm really excited. I got it in taupe. This whole box is wrapped really well. It's been in tissue. Ooh. Okay, I'm getting out, putting it out. I like it that it's open in the front and not all together. So, and then it has nice high slits that go up. So really it's sewn from here to here. So it's open and flowy. So this is what it looks like in the front. It goes down a perfect length. Perfect for going outside, perfect for the house. I really love this. So let's recap, because I'm a little shocked. You get a handwritten note from whoever curated your box, and she is definitely going to get a thank you from me. Then you get a personalized list of everything that you're receiving And it does tell you that my box was worth $127 and I paid $30 for this box. I don't know. I mean, I'm blown away at the quality of the stuff and what you get for $30 in a box. Really. So we got the kimono, which was $25. We got the necklace, which is $25. We got the anklet, which is $17. Here's the bag that you would carry, your beach towel, sand, ground cover, picnic blanket thing, and that goes for $30. It says hand wash cold. Do not bleach, iron warm. It's not going to get hand washed. I can tell you that right now. I think it'll survive not being hand washed. And we ended up with a nice canvas bag. It's really soft and very summery and very springy, and it makes me happy to look at it. And that is $20. For $30, we got a lot of really nice stuff, I think. Everything you get in the box is yours to keep. It's not like one of those where if you don't like something, you have to return it or you're going to get charged for it. Everything that came in this box is mine. I don't have to worry about if I don't like it, I have to return it, ship it back, or anything like that, which I think is fantastic. And that is one of the reasons why I did get this box, because I'm not really good about returning things. And let's be honest. And then with what's going on in the world, we're that much worse about getting out of the house and doing things. I haven't gotten a new necklace in I don't know how long. And I really like that. I like that it's abstract too looking. That yes, you can see the sea theme, but yet if you just glance at it, you don't have to necessarily wear it as a theme, as a beach theme. I really like that about this. And this cover up, I have the window air conditioner like right there because we live in a very old house, and you go outside and you sweat, come back in to cool down, but then you almost get too cold. You just want something to cover your shoulders, and this will do that really nicely. So I'm blown away by this box. So I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed putting on a summertime look on my eyes. That was a lot of fun, and it made me smile and happy, and it made me get out of my comfort zone and use a lot of color in my eyeshadow. A lot. But I liked it. I think it looks cool. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm not hurting anybody. And even if I was going anywhere, who cares? It's my purple eyeshadow. Don't like it? Don't like it. Alright. So thank you so much for stopping. If you liked what you saw and you want to help my channel grow, please hit the subscribe button. And I will see you next video. Thanks. Bye.